morning. It is the next week and I've done my sale and we have lots of orders, so this week we are packing all of them and we'll go through them as we go. I'm just going to put you down. I've already been busy this week making all of my gift bags, so they're all ready now for each of the orders. I'm just going to show you the product on my screen as well. So this is the first order for a collar. I'm going to get that now. First order, square collar. Okay, so next order is this chiffon star bag with this charm. So I'm going to get them now. Next order, chiffon star bag and little charm. Okay, next order I'm looking for this tulle dress top with the pink screen print. This velvet leopard print charm with the hot pink bow and this kind of floral patchwork charm too. Next order, 2 charms and one of the tulle tops. Yeah, that's the next order. 1 of the tulle tops and 2 of the charms. I'll just put them on here. Okay, sad to see this go, but I'm happy it has found a forever home. This lovely quilted star bag. I think this is one of the first quilted star bags that I made. And in that order too, this charm that matches with the same fabric on the ruffle. Star bag. And a cute little charm. That order. Then this vintage upcycled top that I made, oh I don't know, so many years ago. And with that too is one of these square little neck scarves. Then an order for this little upcycled top and one of my scarves. This is from a collection a few years ago. I made all these little scarves out of all of my painting and collage details. So there's lots of hidden things like little wasps there or cats. I don't know if you can see those cats there. And then handwriting from like my grandmother. Yeah, and I see these kind of as little like neck scarves. So that is another order. The next order we're looking for this patchwork collar with a kind of pointed front and rounded back. That is that one with a rounded back. Next order is this patchwork skirt with the screen printed detail. And I think this is one of my favorite tulle tops, and that is going with the same order. I love like the peachy tulle that I used on this one. There is that top. This was definitely one of my favorites. I used some like vintage lace mixed with some kind of grey soft tulle. This is curtain netting that I got in Estonia, I think. And then yeah, screen printed kind of mint green design on the front. So that piece, and then this skirt goes with that order too. So it's got kind of like a raw edge and screen printed detail here. So that is that order. Then the next order is quite a big one. So we have this little mini cushion or pin cushion. This dress from, I think, a summer collection last year. This dress from a summer collection last year. One of the notebooks, charm, and this collar. So yeah, let's find all the bits for this order. Ooh, okay, that was a big order. So we have the heart charm, the notebook, the pin cushion, the collar, this dress, and this dress. So that is quite a big order together. Okay, so next order. Next order is for this charm collection 2 years ago. So yeah, let's find that. So there is that little charm with the keyring details. I have it on a green hook, so hopefully I'll have some pink hooks left to match the order. So that's that order. And then next order is this cute little skirt. Yeah, that's off now to a good home, so let's find it. And there is that skirt. So cute. It's kind of asymmetrical, so it's got like 2 different lengths and it can be worn like literally whatever way wanted. Okay, and then this is the last order I'll be packing for one of these skirts that has like all this kind of hand printed detail on it. One of these headbands that I made, I think around 2019, another headband from the same collection, and lastly this vintage kitten fabric mask with these beautiful pink bows. There's the skirt. Okay, there is the headband, and then the other headband is made to order, so I have the headband here and I need to make that. And here is the mask. Sometimes people are still buying masks because, you know, if you're sick or immunocompromised, it's nice to have a mask. And I do still have loads of masks left online, like really pretty ones. And I put them all into sale. So yeah, if you are interested, check it out. Okay, so that is the last order. Okay, so I've got everything out now, and packing orders for me is never really that straightforward because everything is handmade, so everything needs to be quality controlled. Sometimes little tiny adjustments or fixes need to be made before it's packed. So I really have to go slow and take my time with each order. So I'm going to go through now one by one and get each ready, and some orders are being collected from the studio, some are being sent. So yeah, we're just going to do it at a nice pace, try and get as much done but also not rush, because it's never a good idea to rush the order packing part just in case you get something wrong. So yeah, let's jump into that now. Okay, so this is the first order I'm packing. It's for one of the collars. Okay, so that is the collar order inside the gift bag, ready to go. So I've just been packing the next order. So that one is for the chiffon star bag and the charm, and that is now ready to go. Okay, next order I'm packing is this top with these 2 charms, and I've got my pink gift bag to put it in here. Okay, and that is that order ready to go. So I'm just getting ready to pack the next order, which was for the star bag and the matching charm. I think I only made around 3 of these star bags. Yeah, but I think that's a really cute order with the charm to match. So let's get that packed. And I'm gonna pack the order in this pink gift bag with the kind of ruby red ribbon tie. So that is that order packed inside the bag. Okay, and that is that order ready to do a small gift bag for this one. Another order packed, that is the collar ready to go. Next order is really cute. It's that skirt and the tulle top. So I'm just going to do a quality control check and then we'll get it packed. Okay, and now I'm going to pack this little charm that's been ordered. Good morning. I'm just off to the post office with all the orders that I have done so far. Yeah, I have huge bags, so yeah, we're starting today, running to the post office, and then, sorry about all the noise in the street, and then I am back in packing more orders, getting more ready to send. Yeah, so busy day again today. Okay, just back from the post office, dropped off those orders, and now I'm back to pack more orders for collection and some for sending as well. While I was out, I picked up these 2 vintage sheets, so cute. So I use them for like gift bags or star bags or dresses or whatever. So I'm going to bring them back, clean them. So now I'm just going to jump back into packing orders. So yeah, let's get on with that now. Camera needs a charge too, so I'll pick up when I've charged.